Hi guys, I'm doing question 1. Which of the following Tennessee law firms is currently organized as a PLLC? Please select all that apply. So I looked up each one, I googled each one. And the Hardison law firm, let's see, Hardison law firm in Memphis. Came up as a PC, a personal corporation. So it's not a PLLC. So we'll go to another one until we find a professional limited liability company. Professional limited liability company. Let's see, Bone McAllister. Bone McAllister, a PLLC. So there's one. And then we'll look at some other ones. Let's see. We looked up Hardison. Let's look up Butler Snow. Butler Snow. And I've heard of that one in Memphis. So we'll look up Butler Snow Law Firm, Memphis. And Butler Snow, here it's a LLP. So it's a limited liability company. So it's not a PLLC. And so we'll look at some more. I think there's Waller Lansing and Lewis Thomason left. Let's look at Waller. I just typed in Waller Lasden. Waller Lasden, Dortch, and Davis. LLP, limited liability company. And then we have Thomason. Said cancel. And just one. Lewis law firm. So we'll Google Lewis Thomason. And I might have put too many S's in there. And sorry about my computer, guys. Lewis Thomason Law Firm is a PC, a personal corporation. So none of those, except for Bone McAllister, is a PLLC. So let's do question 7. Which of the following can be a member of an LLC? Select all that apply. So I looked in the book and I got on page 211, chapter 6, and it says under ownership, there are very few restrictions on the number or type of owners who may own limited liability companies. Most states' statutes provide that a limited liability company may be formed by one or more persons. That definition of persons usually includes corporations. So corporations is a yes. Partnerships, trusts, and other entities. So, and we already know individuals. So then it says larger corporations may form subsidiary LLCs of which the corporation is the sole shareholder. So we can also click other LLCs. So all of these can be a member of an LLC. Thank you.